now the connection. Now connect this uh, to your USB port of the Arduino and the other one to the USB port of your laptop, and you will see how this ultrasonic sensor works.
So let's start the coding part. So here first I'm going to declare two variables, int trig 9, int echo 10. So here I have declared two variables, int trig and echo, and initialize them with value 9 and 10 respectively. Then inside the setup function I am going to use serial.begin function to set the baud rate to 9600. Then by using pin mode function I am going to set the trig variable to output, and the same pin mode function set the echo variable to input. So that's it. Here I have set the pin number 9 on Arduino Uno board to output using the pin mode function, and pin number 10 as input using the same pin mode function. Now inside the loop function I am going to declare two variables, long duration dur and distance. Then by using digital write function I am going to set trig to high and then wait for 1000 microseconds. Then again set it to low. Then I need to get the duration. So for that I use the pulse in function. So pulse in echo high, then distance dis, whatever duration I have get dur divided by 2 divided by 29.1. That's it. So now with that being written I need to do some logic on the distance which I have get. So I check if the distance returned is distance dis return is less than 10, then I am going to set the pin number 3 on Arduino Uno on which our LED is connected to high, and else if it is not less than 10 means it is greater than 10, then I am going to set the pin number 3 to low. Then whatever distance we have get we need to print it. So I am going to print it on the serial monitor dis and serial.println. It is printed in centimeter, and for every distance measurement we need to wait for some time. So I set a delay of 10 here. So that's it. That's our program logic. Inside the loop function we have first set the trig pin, means the trigger pin to means the pin number 9 on Arduino Uno board to high, and then wait for 1000 microseconds and then set it to low. Then we read the data from the echo pin and store it in a variable duration dur, and then we calculated the distance in the distance variable and store it in a distance variable, and if the distance calculated is less than 10, means that the value of the dis variable is less than 10, then I am going to turn on the LED, else I am going to turn off the LED. So if the distance from the ultrasonic sensor of any object is less than 10 centimeter, then I am going to turn on the LED, else I am going to turn off the LED. So that's it. That's our logic. So now let's save it. I'm going to save it on the desktop with the name Ultrasonic, and here I save it successfully. Now I need to compile it to check whether the code written by me is okay or not. So it has compiled successfully. Now let me upload this code, and the code has been successfully uploaded. That's it. Thank you.
So now you can see that. So now you can see there is a lot of due to fluctuations due to this wire. Let me show it clearly. Now if the distance goes less than 5 centimeter, the LED will turn on, and if I remove my hand from the distance, you can see the LED goes off. So it's the how ultrasonic sensor works. You can see. Yeah. Is it visible totally? Yeah, it is. You can see it clearly. Let me show you again. This is how this one is.